Hold the EINSTAR VEGA without blocking cameras, LED lights, and ventilation. Keep the cameras and project boards clean without dirt and fingerprints. Hold the scanner and press the power button for 3 seconds. Wait for the screen to light up and the boot animation to finish. Select System Language, which can be changed later. Accept Privacy Policy. Connect Wi-Fi. Log into Shining account. Please carefully read this tutorial. Once you have finished reading, you can start using EINSTAR VEGA and enjoy seamless scanning. How to register an account on Chinese passport? Launch your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for Chinese 3D Passport, passport.chinese3d.com, and press enter. Once the page loads, scroll down, click on Register a new account to proceed to the registration page. On the registration page, first select your region code from the drop-down menu. Enter your phone number and email address as promoted on the screen. Click on the Get Code button. You will receive a verification code on your phone or email. Enter the code you received in the designated field. Next, input your name in the provided field. Create a password for your account and confirm it by entering it again. Make sure to read and agree to the privacy policy by checking the appropriate box. Finally, click on the Register button to complete your registration. Your account is now set up and ready to use. Enjoy your experience with Chinese 3D Passport. Now you can use this account to activate your EINSTAR VEGA.